So, welcome back. So, there was a slight interruption. Okay. So, let us continue from where we left off. So, we already discussed what is permutation. I told the difference between permutation and combination. When it comes to permutation, I discussed about what addition principle and multiplication principle with some examples. And when it comes to permutation, we know that we will be discussing mainly about non-identical objects, and in that we will be discussing with repetition and without repetition, and we will be mainly focusing on without repetition. And I told you what is linear permutation, types of permutation, and that what is linear, what is circular, and what is Garland. Now, let us take some examples. Okay. So, we are talking about what? We are talking about just a minute, where is this PDF didn't come, just a minute. I hope I am audible. Online, those who are watching, please do put a comment. Okay. So, we were having so, I told you, suppose there are 5 different numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to arrange, we have to make 3-digit number using these 5 numbers. Okay, 3-digit number using these 5 numbers. How to make? So, out of these, any of the number, suppose we take any of the number, that can be arranged in how many ways? Okay, should we think like that? We should not think from the number, we have to think from the place. Okay, we have to think from the place. So, we have to arrange to this place, any of the 5 numbers can come. So, we should write what here? 5. Any of the 5 numbers can come. Let that number be 1 only. 1 is placed here. Remaining how many numbers are there? 4 numbers. Out of this, for this place, any of the 4 numbers can come, not 4. Any of the 4 numbers can come. Okay, I should write what here? 4. Suppose I have selected 4 only here, done. Now, how many numbers are there? 3. Okay, so to this place, any of the 3 numbers can come. Any of the 3 numbers can come. This will become what? 5, 4, 3. So, that is what? 5 into 4 into 3, that is what? 60. The answer will be 60. How many ways can you make what? 3-digit number using these 5 letters? Usually, we will write it as what? 5P3. Correct na? We will write this 5P3. No need to learn this. No need to use this formula. Without using the formula, you should be able to learn, because the concepts will be helping you more than the formulas. Understood how to arrange this? So, this will give you 60. This will give you what? 60. Now, suppose I say, I want to make a 3-digit number. Okay, fine. I want to make a 3-digit number, but it should be an even number. If I say what? It should be an even number. I want a 3-digit number, but it should be an even number. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What are even? 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are even. Okay, 2 and 4 are even. Now, here if I place 2, what will happen? 2 is placed already. Okay, 2 is placed already. Then how many numbers are there here? Okay, 4 are there. So, just remember here, instead of placing 2, what I can do is, okay, so here instead of placing 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Here 2 can come or 4 can come. Here only two possibilities are there. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. I can place what here? 2 or 4. The possibility is what? 2 possibilities. One, that is 2, or another one, that is 4. So, 2 ways here. 2 ways here. That is either 2 or 4. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Here we are having 2. So, either 2 can come or 4 can come. Now, either 2 can come, 4 can come means what is left over? What is left over? Suppose I assume that here I have placed 2. Okay, I assume that I have placed 2. Remaining how many numbers are there? 4. Okay, so here how many ways I can write it? 4 ways. So, here one number is done. Okay, suppose 2 is done. Okay, now how many ways I can write it? 3 ways, that's all. 3 ways. So, this will be what? Understanding? Why this is 2? Because either 2 can come or 4 can come. Two ways you can arrange. Okay, either 2 can come or 4 can come. Suppose 2 is selected here. Remaining how many numbers are there? 1, 3, 4, 5. So any of the 4 numbers can come. Okay, now 1 is selected. 3 numbers are there. Any of the 3 numbers can come. So that is what? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Understood? Understood everyone how it is coming? Please make a note of it. It is important. You know this. So to write the words what I am telling. Okay, ending with even number. That is if you want an even number. Done? Now see, this is done. Okay, now suppose I take a word. Let me take up an word. Okay, this is done. All of you are done. Understood now? Understood everyone? Now, suppose I write a word Virat. Okay, okay, just I write a word Virat. Okay, now how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Virat? How many ways can you arrange? First question. How many ways? How many ways can you arrange? How many ways can you arrange? Can you arrange? How many ways can you arrange means it is number of letters is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can arrange in how many ways? N letters means it is not 5. N letters means n factorial ways. Okay, so this will become what? 5 factorial. See, suppose Virat means this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. Okay, here any of the 5 can come. Okay, remaining any of the 4 can come. Okay, suppose V is selected, I is selected. Here any of the 3 can come. Here any of the 2 can come. Here one of the things can come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is nothing but what? 5 factorial. That is what? 5 factorial. That is nothing but 120. 120 you will get it. I know that. I want to know this is nothing but 5 factorial. 5 factorial. Now my second question is, okay, so how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word such that starting and ending with vowel, starting and ending with vowel, starting and ending with vowel, starting and ending with vowel. Okay, starting and ending with vowel. This is my question. So here vowels are what? I and A. Let me write again. Vowels are what? I and A. I and A. Virat. I and A. Now vowels are, this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vowels are what? I and A. Okay. Now here what can come? I can come or A can come. Here also A can come or I can come. Okay. Now what I should write here? Think correctly. Next question I will write before that. Next question is words where all the vowels are together. Words where all the vowels are together. What is the answer for this? First thing is, what is the answer for this? See, here either I or A can come. So any of the 2 can come. Any of the 2 can come. That means what? Suppose in Virat now, suppose I fixed I here. I is taken. Here definitely A should come. Here it is 1 only. Because out here 2 possibilities is there. I have taken selected I. Here there is only 1 possibility now. Okay, I is selected means only A will come. So here 2, here 1. Don't make the mistake of writing here 2 means here also 2. No. Okay, here there is 2 possibilities. Okay, but here already 1 is selected means here there will be only 1 possibility. So now what happens? I is done, A is also done. Correct na? I is done, A is also done. Now remaining 3 are there. Here what are, any of the 3 can come. Okay, this will be what? 3. This will be 1. Okay. So suppose R is done. Remaining what is there? VR, VT. This can be any of the 2. So V is done means this is 1. So the answer is what? This one. Understood? No? The answer is what? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 12. Understood how to do this? Understood everyone how to do this? Now next my question is, I will say that how many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Virat? This is the question always. Okay, such that all vowels are together. All vowels together. All vowels are together means what you will do is, so Virat we are having. Virat we are having. All the vowels are together means how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, out of that All the vowels are together means vowels are what? I and A. Okay, I and A, what I will do? I will combine. Okay, I will tag them together. Remaining letters are what? V, R, T. V, R, T. Now, if I combine this I and A, if I combine this I and A, they are together means this I and A can be arranged in how many ways? Two ways. Either it can start from I or it can end from A. So, either it can be IA or AI. Okay, they are together means it can be coming in any place. Okay, so this I can write it as what? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be written as what? 2. Okay, this is written as one letter. So, now total 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what I can write it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So, 2 into 4 factorial is the answer. 2 into 4 factorial is the answer. Let us take up the next question. Understood this question or not? This one. See, this one I am asking. See here, I will explain again. See here. Now, forget about the 5 blanks. Here, I, A can be arranged in how many ways? 2 ways. That is, I can write it as 2 factorial ways. You should write it as what? Not just 2 ways, 2 factorial ways. Now, IA's arrangement is done. But out of this, remaining total, out of IA, 1 you have selected. Remaining is what? 4. Including this, you should consider as how many letters? 4 letters, not 5 letters, because you clubbed it as single letter. This single letter can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Now, we are having how many letters? 4 letters. These 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways, Ritika? So, n letters can be arranged in how many ways, Akshaya, sorry. It is can be arranged in how many ways? N factorial ways. Correct, na? So, 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial. See, how many ways can you arrange this complete letter Virat? 5 factorial. N letters, n factorial. 4 letters, 4 factorial. 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 4 factorial is what? 24. Correct, na? 24. That is what? The answer is what? 48. The answer is 48. Any doubt? Now, next question is when I say all, please focus, Nikhil, all consonants together. All consonants together. All consonants should be together. Okay. My next question is all consonants should be together. Same way, please try this question, all of you. I want the answer from you. 3 factorial into C. Virat, I will write it again. So, what are the consonants here? V, R, T. This is combined. Remaining is what? I, A. Okay. Now, V, R, T, 3 letters. This can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. Now, including this V, R, T, this is single letter I, A. So, 3 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. So, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So, that is what? 6 into 6. The answer is 36. Understood everyone? Understanding? Shinidhi, Vaishnavi, Liharika, Sharan, Harsha, Nikhil. Clear till here? Clear till here? Written? Okay. Okay. Malli chapta. See, all consonants together ante ikkada consonants edi VRT. So, VRT lo any letters undi? 3 letters. 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now, VRT you consider it as single letter. Okay. This single letter plus 1 plus 2. How many letters? 3 letters. 3 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. So, 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Suppose here we are having 4 letters inside this. 4 factorial plus 1 plus 3. 4 factorial into 3 factorial ways. That's all. Okay. Understood? That's it. Let us take the next question. Kaushik, understood? Okay, that's good. Next question. Do examination. Examination question. Yeah, we will do the examination question, but first we will do the concept. First we will be doing the concept. Okay. Now, next question is, see here, next question what you are having, same concepts here, same question. Now, I will say we got together. Now, I will say no vowels should be together, or I will just say vowels should not be together, no vowels should be together, or if I say no two vowels should be together, it is the same question. No vowels or no two vowels, or vowels should not be together, or no vowels or no two vowels should be together, should be together. Okay, should be together. No two vowels should be together. How many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Virat such that no vowels or vowels should not be together, or no two vowels should be together? That time what you will do? First you will arrange what? Consonants. We are having Virat. Okay, we are having Virat. First you will arrange what? We will arrange in such a way that V should come here, here R should come, here T should come, here T should come. So here blank is there, here blank is there, here blank is there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, or you can take it like this. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, like this you can arrange. Okay. You can take any way like this. You can start from here, or you can start from anywhere. Now, you can start like this. Here also you can take blanks, here also, here also, here also you can take blank. But it should be a 5-letter word. Now, what is selected? V is selected. Okay. R is selected, T is selected. I can take which of the places? I can come in here, here, or here, or here. So, this VRT, first of all, this VRT can be arranged in how many ways? The letters, this can be arranged in 3 ways or 3 factorial ways. Think correctly. Think correctly. 3 ways or 3 factorial ways? 3 factorial is the correct. Okay. 3 factorial is correct. Always you should think about factorial. So, this is what 3 factorial ways. This can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now, this I can come in, this is what T. Okay, this I can come in how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So, this I can write as what? 4 place, not 4 factorial. This can come in any of the 4 places. Now, then A can come in how many of these places? 1 place what has come? Suppose I has come here. Okay, now A can come in any of the 3 places. So, this I should write multiply by what? 3. Okay, this I should multiply by 3. So, the answer will be what? 3 factorial is what? 3 2s are 6, 4, this is what? 3. So, this is what? 72. Correct na? The answer is 72. So, first what you will arrange? First you will keep the consonants in such a way that, okay, between them only they should come, vowels. Otherwise, what will happen? Vowels can come together. So, separate the consonants and keep it. Between them, write the spaces. You do not think about what? Having the 5-letter words. Okay, you can start from here and here. Okay, before this blank, after this blank, 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 like this you keep. So, I can take any of the 4 places and you can take any of the remaining 3 places. But how you can arrange VRT? You can arrange it like VRT, then RVT, then TRV. So, that is what? How many ways? Like that if you go on, you can arrange in 3 factorial ways. You can arrange in 3 factorial ways. So, that is what? 6 ways you can arrange. This VRT only you can arrange in how many ways? 6 ways. That is 3 factorial ways. We will write it. Understood everyone? Now, next question you can expect, the next question is what? No consonants are together. No consonants are together. No consonants are together. This is my question. Same letter or the same word. What is that? Virat. No consonants are together. What you will do? 3 factorial, yes, correct, Kaushik. Please do share with your friends as well. No consonants are together. What you will do? See, first is what? We are having 3, 4, 5 spaces. Okay. Now, what we will do? No consonants are together means we will write I and A separate. I and A separate. This I and A can come as IA or AI. So, I and A can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial ways. Now, IA is arranged. Remaining is what? VRT. Okay. So, we can come in any of the 3 places. Okay. We can come in any of the 3 places. Okay. So, V is done means remaining R is what? R, V, if I place it here, R can come in any of the 2 places. Okay. Suppose R comes here. T can come in any of the 1 place. So, that is what? 1. So, you can think of it as 2 factorial into 3 factorial, or just keep it like this. Do not write factorial. 2 factorial into 3 into 2. 2 factorial is 2 itself. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So, this is the answer. Understood na? Like this you have to do. Every question is important from here. You can get a question from each of these. Okay, get a single question from each of these. Now we saw one question, start and end by vowel. Start and end by vowel. Now let us see, start and end by what? Consonant. Start and end by consonant. Start and end by what? Consonant. Start and end by consonant. So Virat, so see here, observe carefully. If I take it here, all of you please focus. 1, 2, 3 places. What is this? Virat is there. Okay. Now start and end by consonant. This can be what? VRR. Okay. If this is VRR means how many ways I can arrange? VRR. R I can also write it as T. Okay. VRR means this can come what? How many ways? 3 factorial ways. If V is coming here, if I place V here, what are the things that are left out? RRT. RRT. This can be how many ways? 2 factorial ways. So suppose I write what? T here. Suppose I write T here, just like that. Now what is left over? I, A and also what? R is left over. Now I can come in any of the 3 places. Correct? No, this will be what? 3. A can come in any of the 2 places. Okay, and R can come in any of the 1 place. That's all. So 3 factorial into 3 into 2 into 2 factorial. That's all. Understood now everyone? Liharika, Srinidhi, all this. Ritika, are you able to see the board? Understood? So this will become what? So this will become what? So this 3 means 3 factorial, 2 means 2 factorial. Now out of these 3 letters, I can come in any of the 3 places, A can come in any of the 2 places, and R can come in any of the 3 places. I am not mentioning anything means it is without repetition. Okay, that is why we are doing like this. With repetition it is different. Until and unless it is specified in the question it is with repetition, it is always without repetition. You should assume it is what? It is always without repetition. Answer is what here? 3 factorial is 6, 6 into 3 into 2 into 2. That is what? 6 3 is a 18, 36. This is what? 6, 18, 36, 72. Understood everyone? Again we got what? 72. Now start by vowel and end by consonant. Next question is start by vowel and end by consonant. Next question is what? Start by vowel. Start by vowel and end by consonant. Start by vowel or end by consonant. So here what we can do here? So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Start by vowel. Vowel means what? If I take Virat, vowel can be I, R, A. So this is how many ways? 2 factorial ways. End by consonant means this can be V, R, T. This is what? 3 factorial ways. Now suppose I have placed I here. Suppose I have placed T here. What is left over? I is done, T is done. Now here how many letters are left? V can come in any of the 3 places. R can come in any of the 2 places. A can come in any of the 1 place. So this I can write it as what? 3 into 2 into 1 I can write it as 3 factorial, or I can write it like this itself. So this will become what? 2 factorial is 2, 3 2 is 6, again 3 2 is 6. So the answer will be what? 72. Understood everyone? Understood the concept? See here one more thing you have to make a note here. VRT will come means any of the 3 will come. Any of the 3 will come means here we are not arranging VRT. See one more mistake we have done here. See we are making VRT means we are not arranging VRT here. Out of VRT we are selecting one. So any of the 3 can come means this we can write it as what? Just 3. We can write what? Out of VRT we are selecting any one means we can write just 3. Either V can come, R can come, T can come. Here RT means we have to just write what? 2. You have to just write what? 2. See we are not arranging. Suppose we are making a block like this. VRT means it will be 3 factorial. Still make a note here. If you are making a block and you have to arrange this, VRT means 3 factorial. But if your VRRRT, see this is what VRRRT means, it is not 3 factorial, it is just 3. Either V can come, R can come, or 3 can come. That is what V can come, or R can come, or T can come. That is what 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Addition principle. So this will be what 3. Here also it is 2. Now this is what 3 means. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are, this will be what 36. So the answer to this will be 36. So make a note. R is coming means you have to add. Okay, what add? V R R R T. That is what V means 1, R means 1, T means 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. Now can I do the same thing here? So IRA. See this is what IRA. You are not arranging IRA. So here IRA means what? IRA means it is nothing but IRA means this is 2. 1 plus 1 2. VRRRT. VRRRT means it is what? 3. Okay, it is not factorial, it is what? 3. Okay, it is not factorial. VRRRT. Any of the 3 can come. It is not arranging VRT. So this is what you please make a note of it. This is highly important. So IA you have to arrange means you will write as what? 2 factorial. IRA means you will write it as what? Just 2. But anyways here the value will be 2 only. But here there is difference. Here it is 3, here it is 3 2s are 6. So now what will this become? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. This will become what? 12 3s are 36. So understood? So understood? Everyone understood? You have to wake up, please focus. Understood everyone? Okay. This difference you have to know. Understanding Kaushik? Okay. Understood till here? Can we go to the next concept? Next one, see here. We are talking about non-identical. First is what? Linear permutation. As permutation is said to be linear if the objects are arranged in a line. A linear permutation is simply called as a permutation. That's all. So when we talk about linear permutation, I think I told you ending and starting will be there. I told no, ending and starting will be there. I told you. So if there is a linear permutation, so if there are n objects, if there are what? N objects or n things, and you can place it in n places. If there are n objects, you can put it in n places. N objects, n places. N students, n benches. They can be arranged in how many ways? N factorial ways. Okay. N students, n benches. They can be placed in how many ways? N factorial ways. But n objects, out of that I need only r objects. After that, out of that I need only r objects. Okay. So n objects, they can be placed in only r places. Okay. N objects only, but they cannot be placed in n places, but they can be placed in only r places. Okay. N objects, n places means n factorial. Okay. 5 letters, 5 places means 5 factorial. Okay. 5 letters, but 3 places means n objects, r places means NPR. You will write it as what? NPR. Okay. NPR you will write it. Okay. NPR you will write it. The formula actually is what? N factorial by n minus r factorial. But actually you won't use this formula while solving the question. So suppose I will tell you, see here, observe here, I will write it like 5p3, 5p3, or I will write it as 10p2, or I will write it as 12p4. Okay, 12p4. Okay, you will not write the formula, you will not write that formula. What you will do is 10p2 means you will write it as what? 10 followed by next number. You will multiply 10 with the next number, that is 2 numbers you have to multiply. What are those 2 numbers? 10 and the previous number. 2 means you have to multiply by 2 numbers, 10 followed by the next number. 3 means you have to multiply by 3 numbers. Multiply what? 5 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4 into 3. That's all is the formula. No need to use the formula. That's all is the trick. Now it is what? 12p4 means what? 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. Did you understand? Did you know this before? Okay, that's good then. Okay, this will be 90, this will be 60, this will be what? Something, leave it, no need to worry. Understood? This is the trick you must know. Now, when we talk about this one, permutation of n dissimilar things, it is NPR, that is what I told you, n dissimilar things. Now, before going to that, let us take one example. Now, see here. There are 10 balls. There are 10 balls, okay, and there are 6 places. Or let me take 10 chairs. 10 chairs. 10 persons. 10 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chairs. 10 persons. There are 6 chairs. 10 persons. There are 6 chairs. Before that, we will take one more example. 10 chocolates. 10 chocolates. 3 people. 10 chocolates, 3 people. People, person A, person B, person C. Now, you have to know arrangement is completely different from distribution. 10 chocolates I have to distribute among ABC. 10 chocolates I have to distribute among ABC. Okay. So, this 10 chocolates I can give to what? Any of the 3. Okay. I can give to any of the 3. These 10 chocolates I can give to any of the 3. Okay. 10 chocolates I can give to any of the 3. Again these 10 chocolates I can give to any of the 3. Okay. Again these 10 chocolates I can give to any of the 3. It can go on like this. It can go on till how much time? You can give it like 3 power 10. 3 power 10. These 10 chocolates you have to give to any of the 3 means they can keep taking any amount of time, any amount of chocolates they can keep taking. So, this is what 3 here, 3 to here, 3 to here, 3 to here, then 3 to here, 3 to here, 3 to here. It can go on up till 10 chocolate means 3 power 10 like that. Okay. So, this concept is important, you have to know. Next question I will tell you. Next question is, or if I tell this in simple way for you, instead of this, if I tell it in simple ways, okay. If I tell, you have to give 3 chocolates, you have to give 3 chocolates to 10 persons. You have to give 3 chocolates to 10 persons. You have to give 3 chocolates to 10 persons. The answer will be 3 power 10. How many ways you can do it? The answer will be 3 power 10. 3 chocolates to 10 persons is the answer is 3 power 10. Now come to this. 10 persons are there, you have to make them, there are what? Only 6 chairs. 10 persons are there, there are only 6 chairs. Okay. Now, whether I should think from person point of view or chairs point of view. Now, if I talk about, you can look at both ways. Okay. If I talk from 6 chairs, okay, if I talk about 6 chairs, any of the 10 persons can come here. Any of the 10 persons can come here. Then remaining, any of the 9 persons can come here. Okay, then remaining any of the 8 persons can come here. Okay, then remaining any of the 7 persons can come here in the chair number. This is any of the 6, any of the 5. If I talk about this as chair 1, chair 2, chair 3, chair 4, chair 5, chair 6. Okay, any of the 10 persons, any of the 9 persons, any of the 8 persons, any of the 7, any of the 6, any of the 5. Always we have to look from this limited space. This out of this 10 persons and 6 persons, which is less, 6 chairs. So, 6 chairs you have to think, okay, you have to look from 6 chairs, but if you look from 10 persons, what will happen? Tell me, my question is, if you look from 10 persons, instead of looking from the chairs point of view, if you look from 10 persons point of view, you have to arrange means the places are limited, you have to look from chairs. So, here any of the 10 persons, any of the 9, it goes on. But if I talk about 10 persons, I have to accommodate 10 persons in 6 chairs, what I should do? Think correctly. My question, did you understand or not? See, there are 6 chairs, 10 persons. For 6 chairs, you should accommodate 10% means definitely if you accommodate this like this, 4 persons will be left over, they will not be getting any chairs, correct na? That if you look from chairs point of view. If you look from 10 persons point of view, what you will do? Assume that is you have to sit only one person in a chair, don't assume anything irrational, rationally you have to think. So what you will do? 10 persons are there, 6 chairs are there, what you will do? My question, did you understand or not? ఫస్ట్ మనం చైర్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో చూసాం, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు పర్సన్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో చూడండి. ఓకే, పర్సన్ 1 కెన్ గో టు చైర్ 1, చైర్ 2, చైర్ 3, చైర్ 4, చైర్ 6, ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద చైర్స్, కరెక్ట్ నా? పర్సన్ 1 కెన్ గో టు ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద 6 chairs, correct? Person 1 can go to any of the 6 chairs. Then person 2 can go to any of the 5 chairs. Person 3 can go to any of the 4 chairs. Person this one can go any of the 3 chairs. 2, 1, it goes on. Okay, so the answer will be what? 6 factorial. The answer will be 6 factorial. So if you look from person point of view, the answer will be 6 factorial. If you look from what is chairs points of view, the answer will be what? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, so for this is the answer is 10p6. The answer is 10p6 here. Okay, but always you have to look from what? You have to look from the point of view of the limited, that is R objects. Okay, out of 10 persons, R objects, R places are there. The answer is what? NPR, that is what? 10p6. But how it comes, did you understand now? How it comes, did you understand? So for limited space, how unlimited persons or more persons can be accommodated. That is what arrangement is called permutation. Clear? Clear now? Understood? Now this one is got you clear. Now if you talk about specified order or desired order, just read this. Specified order or desired order means what? Specified order or desired order means what? See, what is the word that we took? See, they are telling the number of permutations of n different things when r things are in specified order. Okay, so we took the word what? Virat. Okay, you have to arrange the letters of the word in such a way that the arrangement of the vowels does not change. So first you will arrange 5 letters or these 5 words. What is that 5 letters in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Correct na? First question only I told you. How many ways can you arrange the letters of the word Virat? It is 5 factorial ways. So when I say first question is what? Vowels order should not change. Vowels order should not change. Vowels order should not change. Vowels order should not change means how many vowels are there here? 2 vowels are there. Vowels order should not change means directly divide by 2 factorial. That's all. Okay, vowels order should not change means directly divide by 2 factorial. Okay, vowels order should not change means this is the specified order. Okay, so 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Now my question is, suppose I say consonants order should not change. That's all, very good. Order should not change. Consonants order should not change. Consonants order should not change means what I'll write? I'll write 5 factorial by 3 factorial. That's all. Okay, this is the meaning of specified order or desired order. If they give in a question specified order or desired order, find the final answer. Out of that, if they are telling vowels should not change, consonants should not change, you count the number of vowels, divide by that number of factorials. If there are 4 vowels, divide by 4 factorial. If there are 5 consonants, divide by 5 consonants. I mean 5 factorial. That's all. Clear? So make a note of it. Important. Done, all of you? Now let us go to circular permutation, very simple and very interesting. So circular permutation, a permutation is said to be circular permutation. Objects are arranged in the form of circular closed curve. That is, there is no starting and ending point, I told you. Clear with linear permutation? What are the concepts that are there? What are questions we have solved? Based on that only they will ask. Okay, you have to know the concepts. That is very important. Okay, when to use factorial, when to use just the numbers. Okay, R come means it is just the number 1, 2, 3 like that. If it is if it is clubbed together, what is coming? If you are clubbing together means what? It is nothing but multiplication, dot is coming between them. Okay, that is what? That is factorial you have to take. Now see here, circular permutations. Circular permutations, suppose we are having a circle. There are 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many ways can you arrange the 5 members here? If they ask, you will write it as what? 5 factorial. Linear you used to write what? 5 factorial. Here also you will write what? 5 factorial. Okay, but the formula says that 5 factorial divided by 5. 5 factorial divided by 5 is what? 5 into 4 into something, 5 cancels, the answer will be what? 4 factorial. So n objects in circular, if you want to arrange, it will be, the answer will be n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial you have to remember. There in linear it is what? N objects, n places, n factorial. Here n objects, n places, n minus 1 factorial. Why it comes, need not worry. You don't have to go into why it comes, all these things. So the answer is what? N minus 1 factorial. Okay. Linear is what? N factorial. Here it is what? N minus 1 factorial. Clear? N minus 1 factorial. Now here they have given, same thing they have given. The number of circular permutation of n dissimilar things taken r at a time when clockwise and anti-clockwise orders are taken as different is NPR by R. That is what? This is what is given, NPR by R. Okay, this is what they are given. About this I will explain. Now let us take an example. Okay, let us take an example. Suppose we have A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, how many letters are there? 6 letters. 6 letters I want to arrange here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters to arrange. How many ways I can arrange? 6 factorial. 6 minus 1, that is 5 factorial. This is 5 factorial. Circular, no. So this will be 6 minus 1 factorial, that is what? 5 factorial. Please be focused, because circular, if you know, Garland will be easy, very simple. So this will be 120. Okay, this will be 120. So next question we will take. Okay, so out of these 6 letters, we want to select only 3 letters. Okay, out of the 6 letters, we want to select only 3 letters. Okay, select only 3 letters. Okay, 6 minus 3, it is not the answer. We have to select only 3 letters. So the answer will be what? See, NPR by R. NPR by R. So this is what? This is NPR we got. Okay, NPR by R, this is what we got. So the answer will be what? This is NPR by R, means this will be what? So first you have to arrange what? How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of the 6 places, we want to arrange all the letters, means it will take what? 5 factorial ways. Out of this, we have to select only 3, means divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, divide by 3. Divide by 3 factorial it should be. Divide by 3 factorial. Those letters can be arranged in any of the 3 ways. Understood, everyone? Otherwise, you can take it as what? Out of 6 you have to select what? 3. Out of 6 you have to select what? 3. So we will take it as what? NPR. So NPR is what? 6P3. Divided by R is what? Here we have to select how many? 3. Just write 3. Just write 3. So this will be what? 6P3 is what? 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. We will get it as what? 40 as the answer. 40 as the answer. Here you can use the formula NPR. Okay, here you can use the formula NPR. Okay, understood. So out of 6 we have to select 3, means you will write it as what? NPR by R. R is what here? 3. Understood, Nikhil? Akshaya, Liharika, Srinidhi, understanding? So this is what circular permutation says. If you want to arrange n letters, it is n minus 1 factorial. Out of that n, you have to select only 3, means it is NPR by R. It is NPR by R. NPR is what here? 6P3. Okay, NPR is what here? 6P3 by 3. Okay, 6P3 by 3. Understanding, Siri? Getting it, Bhavani? You have to focus. Anusha? Got it? Shravanti? Okay, now let us go to the next question based on circular only. Now they will say that, I will say that, so AD should be together. Out of the circular arrangement, I will say that AD should be together. Third question is AD should be together. AD should be together. AD should be together. AD should be together means write it like this. AD, put it in a block. Remaining is what? B, C, E, F. B, C, E, F. AD should be together. AD, ARD or is it AD? AD. AD means what? 2 factorial. Correct na? 2 factorial. Now you have to arrange in circular. Circular means what? How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Circular means what? What you will do? It is not 5 factorial. You will write it as what? 4 factorial. Here number of letters is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is n is 5. Okay. So n minus 1 factorial. You have to arrange in circular means instead of writing this same as linear, but instead of writing 5 factorial, what you will write? 4 factorial. You will write it as what? 4 factorial. Clear? Next question. Understood this? Please write down. Now next question is A and D should not be together. 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 So in vowels, in consonants question, linear arrangement, when I said they should not be together, what did we do? First we fix the consonants. So vowels should not be together means what did we do? We first fix V, R, T. Then we fixed vowels. Similarly, same thing you have to do here in the circle. What you will do? So A and D should not be together means first fix remaining things. B is there, C is there, okay, D you should not write, E is there and F is there. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 means here in circular, instead of 4 you should write what? 3 factorial ways. Remaining these are spaces, this is space, space. How many spaces? 4 spaces. How many letters are there? A and D. So this A can occupy which of the spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4. This space or this space. I am telling what? This or this or this. So this can be what? 4. A is placed in any of these. Now D can, suppose A is placed here. Okay, D can arrange place where? This one or this one or this one. So this is what? Into 3. So 3 factorial into 4 into 3. So that is what? 6 4 is 24, 24 3 is 72. Okay, understood everyone? Clear? Understood circular arrangement? Okay, we will give one more question. Now next question is on this only. Let me take ADF should be together. ADF should not be together. Okay, first is what? Let us take it. AD, fifth question. ADF. Earlier I was talking about 2 letters. Now 3 letters. ADF should be together. Next question is ADF should not be together. ADF should not be together. Please go through the notes which you made today itself. Then you will get clarity. Should not be together. Should not be together. So first they are telling ADF should be together. Okay. So what is this? ADF should be together. ADF should be together. Remaining letters are what? BC. What is it? BCE. Correct na? BCE. ADF should be together. So this is what? This can be arranged in how many ways? ADF. This is what? Bhavani, I can write 3 factorial. Good. So 3 factorial. Now how many letters are there including this as 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I should write what? Into 3 factorial. 4 you should not write because in circular means it is what? 4 minus 1. If you write 4 it will become linear. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 6 into 6, 36. Okay. Now we are telling ADF should not be together. ADF should not be together means let us fix other things. Okay. What are the other things? ADF is left means we are having B, C and E. B, C and E are there. Okay. B, C and E. Okay. B, C and what is this? E is there. I will place this. These 3 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 3 letters. In circular, in linear means 3 letters means 3 factorial. In circular means 3 minus 1, 2 factorial. Very good. So these spaces are there. 1, 2, 3. So what are the letters that we have? ADF, correct na? ADF. Now let us select A. A can be go here or here or here. Okay, this is what? 3 ways. This here, 1 here or here or here. I am telling or 1 or 1 or 1. That is what? 3. Now A is done. A is, let me place A here. Now D is there. 1 or 1. This is what? 2. Now F is there. This is F. This is what? 1. So this is what? 2 factorial into 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Understood? Understood now? R means what? You should add. Okay, otherwise it should be factorial. Okay, clear now? Understood everyone? Bhavani, Navneeta, Anusha, Sharan, Harsha, Nikhil, clear? Vaishnavi, Sirisha, Gayatri, Ritika ma'am, clear? Akshaya, Liharika, Srinidhi, clear? Okay, fine. Got it everyone? Fine, then I'll end here. Okay, I'll end here. It's 1 o'clock. I'll end here. Okay, let's meet in the afternoon session, that is in the evening session, where we'll be doing the revision for trigonometry. Fine. So tomorrow we'll continue from here. After the test, you'll be having the class of permutation combination. If possible, I'll keep the class. Okay. Now we will end the class. All right. Thank you. Okay. Let's meet in the next session.